Hi guys, welcome to your channel Barnwal Tutorials Knowledge Wisdom. Here I am Vikas Kumar Barnwal. You are watching the most important class, which is the UGC Net Commerce Paper 2. So friends, today we are discussing the top 10 most important one-liner questions and very useful notes which is written by me, especially because I have some special notes for you which is related to the UGC Net Commerce paper 2. So I will give you the special notes for your future, for your class, so you can also watch this video and get the benefit for this topics, for this information, for these notes. So let's see and know the some important notes. So today we are discussing the top most one liner questions which is very helpful for the Usenet Commerce Set GRF. So let's go ahead. So you can also subscribe my channel, share, like, comment also. So let's see the some important information. So let's now. The main watchdog of international trade is IMF, which is International Monetary Fund. India became the member of International Monetary Fund in 1945. Actually, it was formed in 1944. So there are about 24 executive directors representing the 190 member countries, and IMF has $1 trillion to lend the money among the member countries. Next, Bharatiya Mahila Bank had been launched on 19th November 2013 in the occasion of Indira Gandhi's birthday anniversary, but now it has been merged in the public sector banks by the Modi government. You have seen the last years there are only 12 banks, 12 national banks are in India. Okay, next go ahead. National income of India is estimated by the CSO, Central Statistics Organization. It is a very popular or oldest, one of the oldest agency of Indian government, which headquarter is in New Delhi. So 2nd May 1951 it was formed under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Next one, the biggest stock market of the world is situated in the Wall Street, Lower Manhattan, New York City, which is very. Also, it was established on 17th May 1792. The capitalization of $24.49 trillion. Next, go ahead. The term of balance of trade means the difference between the cost of import and export of a country. So it is very important points of today's class. The term of बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इट मीन्स संतुलित व्यापार, जिसका अर्थ होता है आयात निर्यात का जो अंतर है उसी को संतुलित व्यापार कहा जाता है. ओके, लेट्स गो द सेकंड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. मुकेश अंबानी हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड द फर्स्ट नॉन अमेरिकन डायरेक्टर ऑफ बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका. So let's see who is Mukesh Ambani, who is a Indian businessman, billionaire or a business tycoon who got education in India, also born in Yemen, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, and he is the chairman or managing director of Reliance Industries Limited. The spouse is Nita Ambani. Okay, go ahead. First women finance secretary is Sushma Nath, who is a first finance secretary Sushma Nath. It is one liner questions. And next topic, Dr. Uday Kumar, who has designed the symbol of Indian rupee. He is a Titan, or he was he is get doctorate or a postgraduate by in the IIT Mumbai. He was born in Tamil Nadu. He is the head of IIT Guwahati assistant as an assistant professor. It was adopted on July 15, 2010. Its symbol of Indian rupee or Indian currency. So he is very popular person. Next one, India Brand Equity Fund was established in 1996. Formed in 1996, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It was governmental export promotion agency for the distribution of and sale of India products internationally. Next one, the first Chamber of Commerce was established by private businessmen in West Bengal in 1934, which is very important. Let's know the FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, founded by Ghanshyam Das Birla and Purushottam Das Thakur in 1927. Present Secretary General Dilip Cheroy. Its headquarters is New Delhi. Let's go the new or next topic, which is the very helpful. In 1982-85, Dr. Manmohan Singh had become the governor of RBI. He is a famous economist. He is the chief economist advisor between 1972 and 1975. Also the head of the planning commission between 1985 to 1987. Also finance minister in 1991. He is also the 13th Prime Minister of India. He is become between 2004 to 2014, or also a doctorate of economics from the higher university. Next, the first deputy governor of RBI was K.J. Udesi, who was appointed in 10th of June 2003. So this is the most important topics. I hope you got many important information from this class, and I hope and I would like to say that thank you for watching my class, especially for the students who has participated in the USNET commerce paper. So thank you very much. Stay healthy and be happy. Thank you.